We have seen the procedure of solving the homogeneous differential equations. So in this session I am going to start an example on that base here. So take down the first example. Solve the following equation, that is 4d raised to 4 minus 4d cube minus 23d square plus 12d plus 36 of y equal to c. To solve this equation, I am going to take a procedure of a homogeneous equation because the RHS is 0. If the RHS is 0, then our homogeneous equation procedure is first we have to write down the auxiliary equation. So when we start the solution, our auxiliary equation is, in generally we write it as a AE. Auxiliary equation is 4m raised to 4 minus 4m cube minus 23m square plus 12m plus 36 of y equal to 0. Now we have to, here the equation is not solved by any factorization procedure here. So if the equation is not solved by the factorization, so method we have to be adopt is by the first find only one root by the inspection method. By the inspection method, first I am going to find the one value of the root, that is if m equal to, first you have to assume a m equal to 1. Is it the equation satisfy or not? If m equal to 1, 1 raised to 4 is 1, 1 into 4 is 4, minus 4, minus 23, plus 12, plus 36. Simplify this term is not equal to 0. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. So that is not a 36 of y, only into 36 of equal to 0. So it is not satisfied. Similarly, go for when m equal to minus 1. When m equal to minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1, plus 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus into minus plus 4. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into minus is minus 23. Minus 1 into 12, minus 12 plus 36. Again not equal to 0. Now we have to follow the next value, that is m equal to 2. 2 raised to 4. So next put a m equal to 2. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 into 4. 64. 2 raised to 3. 8. 8 into 4. 32. 2 raised to 2. 4. 4 into 23. Plus 12 into 2. 24. Plus 36. So now we have to take the simplification. 64 plus 24. So 64 plus 24 plus 36 is 124 minus 32. 23 into 4, 92. 92 minus 32 is 124. So equal to 0. So m equal to 2 satisfy this equation. Therefore, by the inspection method, m equal to 2 is a root. By the inspection method, m equal to 2 is a root. So this is just a procedure, but no need to write down all this. Directly you can write the value. You do this work roughly. You can do this work in rough paper also. Means in the rough we have to do this work of the inspection. So now now we have considered the one root by the inspection. So write all the terms of the coefficients of this equation. Constant, coefficient of m, coefficient of m square, coefficient of m cube, coefficient of m raised to 4. plus the root by the inspection is 2. First start with the 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Plus 8 minus 4 plus 4. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 23 plus 8 minus 15. 15 into 2, 30 minus 30 minus 30 plus 12 minus 18 minus 18 into 2 minus 36 plus 36 minus 36 C. Constant, coefficient of m, coefficient of m square, coefficient of m cube is equal to 0. So again this is the equation which is again not solved by any factorization. So again the procedure is going to repeat. Again by the inspection. Again by the inspection. Again by the inspection method we have to find the root for this equation. One root is again find by this. Again by the inspection method we have to find a one root for this equation. Again for this equation again go for the procedure m equal to 1 plus 4. When m equal to 1 plus 4 minus 15 minus 18 not equal to 0. Again m equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus, minus into plus, minus 4, minus 1 square is plus 1 into 4 plus 4, minus 1 into plus 15 minus 18. 4 cancel, plus 15 minus 18 again not equal to 0. Again go for m equal to 2. 2 cube is 8, 8 into 4 32, 2 square is 4, 4 into 4 60, minus 15 into 2 minus 30 minus 18, minus 30 minus 18 minus 48, 32 plus 16, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 1 4, 48 0. So therefore by the inspection method m equal to 2 is a root. Again by the inspection method m equal to 2 is a root. Consider again the synthetic division method. So root finded by the inspection is 2. Coefficient of m cube, coefficient of m square, coefficient of m constant. First we have to start with the 0. 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 0 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 into 2 24. Plus 24 minus 15 plus 9. 9 into 2 plus 18 minus 18 0. Constant, coefficient of m square, m, coefficient of m square. 4m square plus 12m plus 9 equal to 0. So you can write it as 2m plus 3 whole square. We can write this equation as 2m plus 3 whole square. Now m equal to so 2m plus 3 whole square means 2m plus 3 into 2m plus 3. So m equal to minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So before that we find out the two values of that is by the inspection. M equal to 2, again m equal to 2. So m equal to 2 comma 2 and here the two roots minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So hence we have totally find out the roots of the given equation, that is m equal to 2 comma 2 comma minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. These two roots are equal 2 2. These two roots are equal minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So the complementary function is equals to, if the roots are repeated, then the complementary function for the roots repeated is c1 plus c2x into bracket e raised to 2x plus. Now come to these two. Again these two roots are equal. Already c1 and c2 constants is used. Use a different constants, c3 plus c4x into bracket e raised to minus 3 by 2 into x. So that is the complementary function. The complementary function is nothing but the solution of the given homogeneous equation. So therefore the solution of the given homogeneous equation is equals to c1 plus c2x into e raised to 2x plus c3 plus c4x into e raised to minus 3 by 2 into x. So see the once again the procedure. First we have to write down the auxiliary equation for the given differential equation. So that the auxiliary equation is 4m raised to 4 minus 4m cube minus 23m square plus 12m plus 36 equal to 0. So first we have to, there is no factorization is possible, so we have to go for the method of inspection to solve the roots. By the inspection method, if m equal to 1, if m equal to minus 1, if m equal to 2, if m equal to minus 2, so on. We have to check out this equation is satisfied or not. So this equation is satisfied at m equal to 2. So therefore we considered m equal to 2 is a root by the inspection method. Then we move to the synthetic division method. So in the synthetic division method, we rated all the constants and coefficient of m square, m cube and m raised to 4. We started the procedure and we get the terms coefficient of constant, coefficient of m square, coefficient of m cube. So we get the equation 4m cube plus 4m square minus 15m minus 18 equal to 0. So this will be the equation. Again it is not solved by the quadratic equation, again it is not solved by the factorization, and also it is not a quadratic, it is a cubic equation. So again by the inspection method, again we find the root for value for the m, means again we find the root by the inspection method. Again the value of m is 2 here. Now again we move to the synthetic division, and now we find the quadratic equation 4m square plus 12m plus 9 equal to 0. So that is 2m plus 3 whole square equal to 0. So 2m plus 3 into 2m plus 3 equal to 0, m equal to minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So hence totally we have the roots 2, 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. So that complementary function, these two are repeated, these two are repeated. For these two apply the complementary function for the repeated roots plus these two roots are again repeated, write down the complementary function for the repeated roots. And we applied the formula and substituted the values. If the equation is fourth order, we get the 4 roots. If the equation is of the third order, we get the 3 roots. If the equation is of a 2 order, we get the 2 roots. So that is the important thing we have to be remember here. So now take down the next example. Take down the next example. That is 4d raised to 4 minus 8d cube minus 7d square plus 11d plus 6 of y equal to 0. The equation is may be given directly in the form of f of d into y is equal to 0. The same question may be asked 4 into d raised to 4y by dx square minus 8 into d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4, 8 d cube y by dx cube minus 7 d square y by dx square plus 11 dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. Maybe question is also given in this pattern also, that is nothing but this equation. If they give the equation in this form, first you have to write down this equation and then you have to go for the auxiliary equation. But already it is given in the form of f of d of y equal to 0. Therefore directly I am writing the auxiliary equation in this case here. So when we start the solution, first we have to write down the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is 4m raised to 4 minus 8m cube minus 7m square plus 11m plus 6 equal to 0. So that is the fourth order equation. So we have to find out the 4 roots here, and again this equation is not solved by the factorization, so that we have to move for the inspection method. So by the inspection method, value for the m is, so when m equal to 1 raised to 4 is 1, 1 into 4 is 4, minus 8 minus 7 plus 11 plus 6. 8 into 7 minus 8 minus 7 minus 15, 11 plus 16, 4, so 20, so not equal to 0. Put a m equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 into 4, 4, minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 into 8 plus 8, minus 1 square is plus 1 into minus 7, minus 7, minus 1 into 11, minus 11 plus 6, minus 7 minus 11, minus 18, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, plus 18 minus 18, 0. Equation is satisfied. Therefore, by the inspection method, m equal to minus 1 is a root. By the inspection method, m equal to minus 1 is a root. So now go for the synthetic division method. By the synthetic division method, so take a m equal to minus 1 first. Coefficient of m raised to 4, m cube, m square, m constant. Start with the 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Minus 4 minus 8, minus 12. Minus 12 into minus 1, plus 12. Plus 12 minus 7, plus 5. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 11 minus 5, 6. Plus 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6, 0. Constant. Coefficient of m. Coefficient of m square. Coefficient of m cube. So again it is a cubic equation, but again it is not solved by any factorization. So factorization is not possible in this case. So again we have to go for the repetition of the method. Again by inspection method. Again start with the m equal to 1. M equal to 1. 1 cube is 1, 4, minus 12 plus 5 plus 6, not equal to 0. Again by m equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into minus 12, minus 12, minus 5 plus 6, again not equal to 0. Again m equal to plus 2. 2 cube is 8, 8 into 4, 32. 2 square is 4, 4 into 12, minus 48. 5 into 2, 10 plus 6. 32 plus 10, 42. 42 plus 6, 48. plus 48 minus 48, 0. So satisfied. Therefore, by the inspection method, m equal to 2 is a root. So again, by m equal to 2 is a root by the inspection method. Now again we have to move to the synthetic division. 2 m cube coefficient, m square coefficient, dm coefficient and constant. 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 into 2, 8, minus 12 plus 8, minus 4, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus 8 plus 5, minus 3, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, plus 6 minus 6, 0. So now the equation becomes 4m square minus 4m minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to simplify this equation. That means simplification of the quadratic equation. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Split this equation to get a minus 4m. So 4m square minus 6m plus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. Now in these two, take a 2m common. Remaining is here the 2m. Here the remaining is 1. Now in these two, take a minus 3 common. 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So 2m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Remaining of the terms is 2m minus 3. Equate both terms to 0. We get a 2m plus 1 equal to 0. 2m minus 3 equal to 0. m equal to minus 1 by 2. m equal to 3 by 2. So therefore, we have totally m equal to. First inspection is given a m equal to minus 1. Second inspection value is 2. Now the synthetic division values are minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2. So all the values of the roots, here all the values of the roots are distinct. No term is repeated. So therefore all are distinct. So therefore complementary function for all the distinct roots of the equation is, so that c1 e raised to minus 1 into x, c2 e raised to 2 into x, plus c3 e raised to minus 1 by 2 into x, plus c4 e raised to 3 by 2 into x. So that is the root by the, so that is the complementary function for the all the given roots. Now take on the one more example here. D cube y by dx cube minus 2d square y by dx square plus 4dy by dx minus 8y equal to 0. Here one thing you have to be remember, the same equation may also given in the form d cube y by dt raised to 3 minus 2d square y by dt square plus 4dy by dt minus 8y equal to 0. When it is in terms of x, we used a complementary function in terms of the variable x. If it is in terms of the variable t, how to solve? So I am considering only this equation. I just neglect this equation. I will consider the equation in terms of the variable t only. So consider only this equation. So for this, first we have to, when we start the solution, first we have to write down the given equation in the form of f of d of y equal to 0. So take down the f of d. d cube minus 2d minus 2d square plus 4d minus 8 of y equal to 0, where d equal to d by dt, because it is the variable of t, that's why. Now the auxiliary equation is m cube minus 2m square plus 4m minus 8 equal to 0. First you have to check out, is it any possibility is there to simplify this equation by the factorization method. If any possibility is there to make the simplification by the factorization, then go for the factorization procedure here. If you not get any factorization simplification, then go with as usual your inspection method and synthetic division method here. So you can solve this equation by the two ways. One is directly factorization. If you not get an idea of the factorization, as usual inspection synthetic division procedure also can be solved. I do a both procedure here, but in the exam any one method is sufficient here. So first I will go for the factorization. So what is the factorization? In these two, you can take the m square common, then it becomes m minus 2. In these two, 4 is common, remaining is m minus 2. m minus 2, m minus 2. Take a common. Then remaining is m square plus 4 equal to 0. So m minus 2 is equal to 0. M square plus 4 is equal to 0. M equal to 2. M square equal to minus 4. M equal to square root of minus 4. Square root of minus 4 is plus or minus 2i. Now, that is your factorization procedure. If you not get an idea of this factorization, left this procedure. See the inspection method. When m equal to 1, 1 minus 2 plus 4 minus 8 not equal to 0. When m equal to minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 8 not equal to 0. When m equal to 2, 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, 4 into 2 minus 8, 4 into 2 plus 8 minus 8, plus 8 minus 8 plus 8 minus 8, 0. So m equal to 2 is a root by the inspection. Root by a inspection method. Now we have to move for the synthetic division method. So according to synthetic division method, first m equal to 2, coefficient of m cube is 1, coefficient of m square is 2, coefficient of m is 4, coefficient of constant. Start with the 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 into 2, 2, plus 2 minus 2, 0, 1 into 0 into 2, 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 into 2, plus 8 minus 8, 0. Coefficient of constant, coefficient of m square is 0, so m is 0, coefficient of m square equal to 0. So m square equal to minus 4, m equal to plus or minus 2i. Here it is a minus, so minus 4 under the root, if it is minus it is complementary, so it is a complex function. So 2 is a root by the inspection, plus or minus 2i is a root by the 2 is a root by inspection and plus or minus 2i is a root by the synthetic division. So totally we have the roots 2 comma plus or minus 2i. So in the factorization also we got the same values, and here also it is the same value. So any procedure can be follow here. Now the complementary function is, both are different roots, so write down the directly c1 e raised to 2x and plus or minus 2i, that is p plus or minus I cube. When p is 0, means when the real part is 0, then the complementary function is c1 cos qx plus c2 sin qx. So here the q equal to 2. So c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. So that the solution of the homogeneous differential equation is c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. So that is the solution of homogeneous differential equation.